Oh.
Drop it. All right, nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time, deep breath in, all the way out. Good, release. Wow, how'd that feel?
Great.
Awesome. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Way down. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me, all the way out. And one more time, deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh. Yeah, that was great.
You get a good release on that?
Yeah. Oh yeah, all the way to like the lower back.
Awesome, man.
That was perfect.
Awesome, awesome. All right, let's lift up. Just relax it here. And release. Woo. Sink it to the knee. Put that all the way to the side for me. Just relax it here for me. Now just drop the head to the left, drop it. How'd that feel?
Oh, really good. Yeah.
That was a great release.
Yeah.
Nice thing here all the way into my hand. Just relax that shoulder, okay? Just relax it for me. Go ahead and drop the head to the right, drop it. Okay, let me do one more here. Just relax it. Drop the head to the right. Very good. Awesome. All the way down. Just relax it for me. Very good. Same thing here. Just relax it. There. Same thing here, just relax it. Lean back just a bit for me. Awesome. In here.
Doesn't watch.
No, you're good, you're good. Yeah.